Over the past years, I couldn't understand why they call herbalists witch or they call them Obeah man in a Jamaica. Now, you know what I just discover? Suppose me tell you, say, given that the word pharmacy, you know, in deep research, Latin origin mean sorcery. Do you know that it has always been plague? Now they found out that there is a parasite from the protozoa family that cause mental illness that goes through your neurons. It travels through cat feces and it also cycle with the cats. Now, saying all of that to saying, I have always said that they pump eggs in the atmosphere to continue the metamorphosis of parasites. Voodoo was always being worked on our people through the medical industry, making us thinking that these diseases has their name when it actually is a parasite. My people, I don't know how to tell you this, but it has always been witchcraft. The medical industry has always been working voodoo, obeah, metaphysics on you from day one, from the biblical days and beyond, where they're talking about the flea, the parasites, what the word where they use again? The fucking the plague that takes over the land. What you think they were talking about? Deworming should be priority for you and your children, because these worms, they are looking for a body, and they are entities that controls the body, that tells the body what not to eat, be hungry, be crave of. Now, short me your earring. All the man-made diseases are parasites, plagues, are these metaphysics alien face. Look at the faces of worms or parasites on Google and you realize that their face resemble the alien looking or something look like so-called the devil. These are the true devils, my friend. The medical industry release them, pump them in meats, egg, cheese, butter, right? They feed off your acidic fast food like burgers and acid drinks and sweets, and they love sugar to carry out their metamorphosis, their egg, larvae, pupa, and adult stage. When they come out and become a fly, why you think that fly is seasonal, especially here in Jamaica to mango time? You think that is a coincidence? Then where did they come from for the next season? They come from your feces, my friend. They come from the breath you breathe, because they are all to entangle with you. Without parasites, the medical industry will be wiped off the land. Therefore, why are you not practicing a deworming program that we have over here that will get rid of tough parasites, the one that has the intelligence to hide in your central nervous system behind the mercury that they're pumping in the air through your deodorant, aluminum oxide through bauxite, the burning of fossil fuel? My friend, these parasites smell when simple dewormer comes in your blood, jump in your bloodstream and swim to the gap that is at your back of your head, your central nervous system, and hide there and wait until this smooth, simple parasite killer remove out of the body. They come back to play. They even know how to hibernate. They're practicing fasting and you can't. You see? Because these entity, they use your body as a vehicle, and they are sitting in, changing the gears, calling the craves, calling the shot. They even make people behave aggressive, angry, not loving to their child, thinking that work is more important and school and career rather than having children. Do you see that these parasites are more intelligent? They are way beyond, but they are also a part of the consciousness of AI, because everything is available. You just need to tap in. And this is a shift of the parasites world. People, share this now, man. Make it go across the world like wildfire. You alone can help with one share. Don't wait on the other person. One true virtue. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy, Holistic 8.